Oily skin feels rough and is more prone to acne. To combat this problem, you can make face pack at home with simple ingredients and which are easy to make. Today in this, I will share rice flour and sandalwood face pack for glowing skin with effective result. This face pack has oil-absorbing properties that keep your skin looking matte. It displays excellent anti-inflammatory effects on the skin and keeps skin redness at bay. It gently scrubs away dead skin cells, ensuring that your skin feels extra smooth and even. To make this pack, you will need 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder, 1 teaspoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon besan or gram flour, 1 tablespoon rose water, ½ tablespoon milk powder, 1 tablespoon buttermilk. In a clean bowl, take 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder, 1 teaspoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon besan and ½ tablespoon milk powder, and in this add 1 tablespoon rose water and 1 tablespoon buttermilk. Mix all the ingredients together until you form a smooth paste, and ensure that there are no lumps. Apply this paste all over your face and let it on for about 20 minutes or until it's dry. Once dry, wash it off with water in a circular motion. Sandalwood oil helps nourish the skin, improve the elasticity of skin cells, even out skin tone. Because of these qualities, it can be beneficial in reducing the appearance of scars. Sandalwood oil contains antioxidants that help maintain the buoyancy and structure of the skin cells. It also reduces dryness and replenishes the moisture in skin, increasing elasticity.